This is why I switched to Shopify. Shopify made it really easy.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? If y'all can hear me, I need everybody here to go ahead and press 1. I need everybody here to go ahead and press 1. Or drop the fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji. We already about to hit TP1 on a trade that I actually just caught in the VIP. We're crushing it. Doing good. We're up $2,000 as y'all see right here. Y'all probably can't really see it. But yeah, this trade is doing good, man. Let's see. Yep, we just got out the trade. Beautiful. All right, man. So first and foremost, I want to say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. If I did not say that already, I'm sorry. If I did say that, I'm being repetitive. I do apologize. But yeah, though, man. Yeah, guys, we we're gonna have a great week this week, man. We're gonna be profitable this week, and one thing I like to say when I always tell myself I want to have a profitable week is just focus on being consistent, sticking to my plan. I feel like if we all can agree upon sticking to our plan, that's what's going to give us that consistency. That's what's going to grow our account. That's what's going to get us A1. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the important part, So I just want y'all to really understand that as a trader because that's important. But anywho, I'm gonna need everybody here to go ahead and like the video. Today is Monday. I just caught out a US oil trade, and we already smashed TP1. I wanted to get in this trade twice, but unfortunately, that obviously wasn't happening. So yeah. But I am looking on some gold trades today as well. We already going to TP2. Like, damn. I really wish I would have stayed in this trade. My solo bot also caught out a possible buy, but that was super. Yeah, my solo bot caught out a possible buy as well, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so you guys know, so right now, like I said, we're looking at what is this? We're looking at US oil. We also have gold that I am going to be paying attention to. Gold did pretty well on Friday. Didn't really call out too much on Friday. I was just actually trading this on the side. I'm still working on a really super small account as well. So you're gonna be seeing me back and forth from like looking at this and looking at that. But yeah, we it is what it is. So everybody that is in the stream, man, let's keep dropping the fire emoji. Let's get this YouTube algorithm to pick up on our video. So I need everybody here to go ahead and keep dropping fire emojis. I'm going to keep dropping fire emojis. But let's just keep dropping fire emojis. And then most importantly, we got to like the video, y'all. So everybody here to go ahead and like the video. Man, let me see something, y'all. So what is it that you guys are trading today? What is it that y'all trading today? My bad, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out something real quick. NASDAQ GU US30. We're trading GU NASDAQ US30. Fire. So yeah, we just I got a alt cat. Y'all, that's crazy. I never traded alt cat in a minute. It's been a while since I traded alt cat. Honestly. Keep liking the video, by the way, guys. Keep liking the video. I would appreciate that. Since I'm in GU buys, price came back at the golden zone. So I haven't even looked and tapped into GU, but I do feel like GU is currently in a liquidity phase, right? We swept out the lows. We did sweep out the highs here. So this is actually going to be pretty interesting to see because we can instantly go up and it comes straight down easily. You know, like that is possible, y'all. So interesting. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so let me put up a poll for y'all because I really got a question for y'all. And I got a question, another quick question. Who here actually like seen profit just by being on my live streams? Who here actually seen profit just by being on my live streams? Me. Hey, that's fire. You said me. That's fire. Who else here actually seen profit? Education on oil. That's fire. I appreciate that. Yes, sir. I'm getting back to my roots with oil, man. I just gotta adapt with it differently though, because I'm actually trading oil now on a 15-minute scale. Sometimes I do 5-minute, but the beauty of trading is not really beauty, but you gotta learn how to adapt. You gotta learn how to adapt with stuff. You know, adapting is the most important thing. My respect to you, bro. I appreciate that. Yo, we got Mr. 120 in the building. What's going on, brother?
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's cracking.
Can they hear you? Yeah, they can hear you. I got your email too, bro. Let me ask you a question. I gotta fill that out. I think I gotta fill everything out before, right?
Yeah, it's real quick though.
Yeah, okay. This is so fire. Yo, what email you send it to?
The one join solo.
Got you. All right.
Got some nice setups today happening.
Oh, that's fire. I see you send out an email about the live thing. I need to start doing that too. Where you send affiliate sign up? Okay. I'm new, so checking everything out. Mike, got a lot of mics. Welcome.
Check 1 2 1 2.
Welcome. Join Solo Network. We already about to smash TP2, y'all. I got to get my money back that I had lost on the account. Y'all remember? Let me show y'all. If actually I forgot. Let me show y'all how crazy this is. So Remember, there was a trade that I had. It was a trade I took Friday or Thursday. I think it was Thursday, and I set the wrong lot percentage. Like literally, I over risked times 20, so I had to get out the trade before I actually blew that funded account. So we're slowly, gradually trying to build this one back up, and we're just gonna take our time, man. We're just gonna take our time to get it right back up. Let's see, Eric Williams, create account. Okay, this fire. I see you, Mike.
I actually started on that other project we talked about, so I'm working on that now.
You move fast too. Talking about me.
Nah, I think you got it beat, bro. I think you move the fastest. It's actually motivation and inspiration too, though. To see somebody that move a little bit faster than you, I'm like, oh yeah, I need to step my shit up.
That's fire. Yes, sir. So I got the affiliate link now. Okay, cool. I'm gonna start sharing. I am sure gonna share it to y'all in a bit. But before I actually do any sharing, let's talk about some recaps on what we expect for today. By the way, I don't know if we have any news. We got hit TP2. Do we have any news for today? Anybody know if we got news today?
Oh, let me check real quick. Pretty sure last week was heavy news. Don't look like nothing happened today. We should be good today.
Good. Yes, sir, man. I'm loving this one. Yo, Solo, how's it going? Joker, what's going on, brother? We doing good, man. We smashing TPs. We just hit TP1, TP2 on oil. Now we're looking for some possibly gold trades. Possibly. Not going to say not too crazy, but I like to look for the gold setups around. I can't remember. See, I got to take out my note. Wow, I can't see this for nothing. Oh yeah, okay. So around 8:30, 10 typical time. Hey yo, Mike, you want to introduce your program that you gave me affiliate to? I wanted to talk to you like before on how I can go about introducing it, but can you introduce it and I'm gonna go ahead and share the link?
Yeah, so pretty much the what we're doing is the 120 challenge. 120 challenge is where we show people how to actually, expedite their funding through prop firms and leveraging expert advisors or automation, I would say. So what we've done over the few years is build up a portfolio of doing that and just helping individuals out. And we've been currently 1.8 million. I don't like to throw numbers out there, but I have to throw a disclaimer out there. Past performance isn't guaranteed. We're not dictating that you're gonna get the same results as somebody else. Your journey can be totally different than somebody else, but definitely have to throw that disclaimer out there. We're not promising no overnight success, nothing crazy, but yeah, it's called a 120 challenge. You take $3,000 and we show you how to take that into $100,000 in less than 7 days. Guaranteed. I know it sounds crazy, but this is what we're doing. We
Guaranteed.
got a proven system, and we showing people how to eat. So if you're trying to eat, come learn from us.
Yo, Mike, I think it was an idea I was coming up with I think last night or the other day, where I was thinking like once you do my challenge, I'm gonna actually make a whole video focus on the 120 and talk about it, because I feel like that'll be dope. People be like, dang, you know what I'm saying? What do you think?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to document the whole thing. I'm passing yours today for sure. So I'm gonna try
Okay.
to document the whole process as far as the software part of things, so I can just send it to you and then you have it.
You ain't even gotta oh, you talking about your video part, the document part,
Yeah,
right?
I'm not gonna brand it. I'm just gonna have a
Okay.
video so you can have it, so you
Okay.
can do whatever you want to do with it, so you can share your experience. Like, man, this is what
Oh,
I experienced on
please
the
do that.
120
Yeah.
challenge.
Don't forget, bro, because like I said, I'm gonna do a video on that. I feel like that's good content.
No, that's what I
Definitely
got
send
you.
me. All right, but yeah, guys, here's the link if y'all want to join that. Like I said, I'm actually doing it too, so y'all know how I am. Anything I like to talk about, I always make sure it's something I believe and feel like it's actually dope. But if you guys want to go ahead and sign up, you can. You do get 20% off if you use my link down below. Damn, I realized it says my full name on there. Can I change that? I absolutely can. Hold on, y'all. I gotta give you a new link. Here's the new link. Don't use the other link. I don't even think it's gonna work. That's the new link. If y'all want to check it out, when y'all get the chance, check it out, man. I think it's really dope, man. I personally, not even think, but I just know it's really dope, especially for those that's newbies or you just really need some funding and you just can't figure it out right now. Yeah. But anyways,
I say everything just froze up or something, paused out or something.
no, I'm over here trying to get this link right. All right. But no, though, Mike, what you trading right now, or what you looking at for today?
I'm actually waiting for what? Let me see. What is this? I'm waiting on US30. US30 look like we might be bullish today if we can stay above this 34,600 level. So we could be looking bullish. I'm expecting them to hit the lows first, and then hit the go up high. But US30 Nas, I'm looking for them to do the same. Hit the lows first, and then pop bullish, and we could potentially see the British pound USD continue that sell momentum that we've been seeing. So yeah, I got those two bearish, and then the Nas and whatnot bullish.
Okay. Somebody
Nice
said,
little setups today. Should pop off nice.
yeah, I say the same. I'm actually about to do a markup real quick on gold. The link isn't working. Why? It's because I changed it. Let me see. Yo, Mr. Boss Man, the link ain't working. The link is not working. All right, y'all. I will figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yeah, you're right. The link isn't working.
You said you changed it again? Let's see. Hold on.
I tried to change it to the original one. Or I won't say that, but yeah, I changed it to. Yeah, guys, I will figure it out. But let's talk about the markups though. While we, figure that out. So pull up my other one. So if you guys look closely at gold, I want y'all to pay attention to what's been happening on the 4-hour scale. So on the 4-hour scale, we have been, you might see it as going up, but I truthfully believe we're still going down. And the reason being is because of this high to this low, right? We needed to basically sweep out all of this, like I like to call it, diagonal liquidity. But we, not only that, we did tap into a midpoint. off this range, which is this marked area right here. So not only that, we did break out aggressively with a very aggressive candle, meaning that this could definitely be that large trend to head down. And what I'm really only seeing right now with gold is that this pullback is just another move to complete, just another completion for a downwards trend. Essentially, for those that look at imbalanced market, we can even look at this right here as a balance in an imbalanced market. And this area right here is where price could actually just start. We can start seeing that decline as we're actually seeing now, speaking of it. So, yeah. But another thing about gold is if I'm not trading it during around 8:30 my time, Central Time, it can be really like sketchy for market to come up, take us out, and then drop. So that's kind of why I don't like getting in now with gold, just because I feel like during New York opening, it makes more sense because I'd rather be in after all of that stop punting, fake outs had already accomplished, and then that's when I'll look for my entries. So I'm gonna wait for gold, for entry for gold. I'm telling you guys, like, just me doing a lot of back testing, it makes way more sense for me to wait by New York opening, so I'll be able to boom. So yeah, that's really what it is. Yo, can you hear the music?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody asked you. Oh, I hear myself. Somebody asked you about your 30 markup.
The markup on US30. I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame, and I can actually hold on. Let me see. I can actually I'll post it in the Discord for y'all so I can see it.
All right, and for those that's not in the Discord, there is a free section. I did pinned it on the top of the chat. So you definitely want to make sure you check it out. I'm over here pointing up, but I realize a lot of y'all on the phone, so it's down below, or it might be on this side. One of those two. Hey, yo, you want to shout out your YouTube, bro?
Yeah, it's at 120 Dreamers.
What's
I'm
your
gonna
link?
type it in the comments real
Okay.
quick. I'm about to post this setup in the chat real quick.
Herbs, you said, how do you determine how far a price will drop? I mean, Mike used different things. I use different things, but I'll tell you, my part is really they saying for US30 though. But I mean, I use the fibs a lot just to determine that. So that's pretty much how that is. And then Biggs, you said, do you do private mentorship? We actually just opened up our group bootcamp. I cannot give you the link right now just yet. We're still working on the front end of the site. But yes, we did just open up our group bootcamp. That's the only thing I'm doing at this time. I'm not doing any private mentorships. I'm not doing anything else. Just those group bootcamps, and that's really it for now. Drop the link when it's up and running, please. Of course, I got you. Of course, I got you. Gold is dropping, I must say. Sheesh.
Ah, there you go. Now try it.
For what? What we trying?
Hit the link.
All right.
That was my bad, y'all. I was tripping. Try it on you and let me know if it worked.
It's moving slow, but it should work. It look like it's trying to work. I might have to do this. Let me see. Still loading, but we'll see.
That's dope. That's dope. That's nice.
Yeah, that joint's still loading.
It's funny because when it do load, it's nice. You'll actually see it's nice. It's really customized. Like it has like the little badge on there to show that like you will refer to the right person. That's dope as hell.
Oh, for real? Okay.
It tripped me out over here, man.
Yeah, that sound fire. No, I ain't go through. Let me see something. It might just be I might need to refresh my cookies or something.
And you got the one that's ending with Solo TV, right?
Mm-hmm. Solo ETV.
Okay.
Hold on, let me do one more thing. Check another browser. Nah, it's still acting up.
Yeah, definitely got sales on GU. GU is about to go down.
Oh, snap. We have a ghost in the building.
Yo, hey.
Neil, what's
Neil,
up,
where you
brother?
been, man?
Yo. Yeah. Sorry, I missed you every week, every day last week. I missed you.
Yeah, we've been missing you. Like, where you been at? How's everything? Everything good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Yeah, no, I've been busy last week, so I just couldn't get on. I was in town a lot. How's things? We nice trade on oil, boy.
Yes, sir. I've been trying to get back to my roots on oil. But
Yeah.
I'm
Are we
actually
live on YouTube?
Yup.
I don't normally see you when we're live.
Yeah, we live. Definitely is. I was gonna say, yeah, I've been trying to get to my roots. How's your trading going?
Yeah, good. Yeah, good, man. I caught I caught the NAS sale before.
Ooh.
That's right. You've been getting in NASDAQ a lot.
Yeah, I was watching the NAS and it was coming down further, so I caught that before. But
let me see indices. There we go. Start poll. Yeah, I just put a poll up. I'm curious to know. Yeah, I just let's see, drop the link in. So I'm curious to see where y'all at. I need everybody to go ahead and vote. I need everybody to go ahead and vote. I put gold, silver, oil, Forex pairs, or indices. Right now, indices are winning.
yeah, indices all day long for me.
For you, Mike, what about you?
I've just voted.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Indices too. It's interesting.
We love my currencies too, but you know.
Indices is where it's at, huh?
Yeah, I just like the way it moves. Currency just too much up and down for me. But I do like GU.
Ooh, man. I'm a little tired. Is it just me or is the market really settled today?
Yeah, they just waking up themselves.
Yeah, it's not open yet, is it? New York.
Oh yeah, that's right. I don't know why I feel like it's already 8:30.
You're really early, boy.
I think the oil trade got me a little pumped.
How was your weekend, boys?
It's good, man.
Fantastic.
Good.
Relaxed weekend. I needed it. How about yours? What you do this weekend?
Nah, nothing. It was good. Just did nothing. Did a bit of work. We need to catch up on your website, don't we?
Yeah.
Separately.
Definitely do. How's that? I know you probably ain't really. I mean, you already pretty much finished it.
Yeah, no, it needs building out, but it's designed nicely, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the design. It's super fire because
I just need.
I seen how you. It was so dope. I see how you put the membership. Like, when I wanted to ask you too, because we needed to change that too, because we changed the way that we're doing the membership. So it's just
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's jump on whenever you're free this week,
all right,
and I can get building it for you. Then it won't take long.
cool. Oh, did I tell you, Neil? I almost blew my funded account.
Oh no!
Risky.
But last week.
Over risk. Horrible calculation.
You still got it?
Just literally did my math wrong.
Damn. You still got it though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Somebody said, Joker, that don't count. You got to pick one. What is your best pair to trade? Well, I should have said. Is it gold, silver, right? That's all in one. Oil. I should have put those together. Or Forex pairs or indices. It's 37% of y'all say indices. For the 37% that says indices, this is why it's also dope for us to start lurking or start learning about futures.
Did you catch any of that NAS sell on Friday?
Nah, I ain't catch. I ain't even trade NASDAQ.
What happened? You used to love NAS. What's happened to you?
I don't know, man. I jumped on 30. I've been liking how 30 moves more based off my style of trading. It just makes more sense for me.
You used to call the NAS trades out. I used to smash it back when I was still learning.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. Actually, it used to be gold, oil, and NASDAQ were like the ones I was really calling out.
Yeah.
It's crazy how the industry can really push you to other things.
Yeah.
Because you used to faithfully trade oil. Now you mainly trade GU and NAS, right?
Yeah.
Well, you've been trading NAS for a minute though, too.
Yeah. NAS is the one I love the most.
Okay.
And oil, I just lost my patience and confidence with it.
You're trying to turn into a swing trader. You want to set and forget. That's definitely possible. Are you a scalper? Do you mainly scalp or intraday?
You talking to me?
Nah.
Oh.
Somebody made a comment. Hers made a comment about he wants to set and forget and become a swing trader.
I haven't got the patience to hold trades for long.
Sound like me.
Yeah.
No, is it me or yeah? Is US30 really not moving right now? Oh, it is moving. Okay. All right. Thought it wasn't. It said, say, what the heck is going on? Okay, so you scout. Okay. It's possible, man. It's just a mental thing. You just gotta adapt to. Dang. Is these okay? I gotta really. Yeah, let me mark up GU. So, all right, guys, with GU, this is pretty tricky, but honestly, I kind of understand what's really going on. We did a liquidity phase. We swept the lows out, and then we swept the highs out. I honestly see it just going down. Let me jump on a 1 hour, see if there's any other type of confliction that will stop that from happening. Yeah, no, I just see it going down. Just kind of like really what this is right here. If we take out this high drop from this low, let me do from this right here. I see sales all day for GU. Hands down. The question is where and when to enter. So let's see. Short position. If I was to find an entry off of this play, y'all know how I am when it comes to these lows. I would love for it to come. I would love to have a 1-on-1 at that most recent low first. So realistically speaking, I would need it to pull back. All right. I needed to pull back to this imbalance move right here. I need to pull back there. So if we can get it to pull back there, then oh yeah, for sure. Then we should be good. Yeah, just get ready for New York Open. I mean, New York Open is going to set the mood again for sure, y'all. What do I think about 30? This is moving so slow. I'm actually looking for buys for 30. So, you know, we shall see. I'm really just looking for buys for 30. Man, I see this play so much for 30. But really, if you guys look here on the hourly scale, we have a lot of imbalance all up here. Not only that, we do have balanced market conditions all here as well. However, one thing that could possibly happen is We could take the lows out first and then maybe jump and take the highs out next. But I am looking on it to go up. All right, guys, I got the correct link. I know Biggs, you've been asking for the link. I have the link here. Guys, once again, if you want to sign up with that, here's the link. Mike, can you mention again what this link is for?
So that link right there is give you 20% off if you use the promo code Solo20 for the 120 challenge. It's for automation combined with prop firms. So if y'all looking to get funded hands-free, this is what we've been doing for over a few years. Like I said, we at currently 1.8 million hands-free funding.
It's fire. If you guys really want a funded account, he guarantees, right?
Guaranteed, man.
Guaranteed. We currently have them working on mines as we speak too. We're going to be documenting it as well. So when I make a whole actual video about it, you guys will probably really be like, okay, I need to tune in with it. But yes, you do get 20% off if you guys decide to sign up. So let's just say you guys use my affiliate link with like Funder Pro, right? Or whatnot. Get 20% off with that. And then on top of that, you use this for the 120 team to, you know, work on your account for you while you're still trading your personal accounts or while you may be trading a different account. Come on now, that's perfect, you know? But Car Culture, you're asking what I'm looking for Confluence. Well, like I said, I just need to see it take something out first. I need to see it either take the lows out or take the highs out before I can determine what 30 really wants to do. And then for gold, like I said, I'm looking on sales, but I'm not entering into gold until 8:30. Y'all know around that time, that's when we get those crazy spikes. So just be cautious. It might look pretty now, but if you're scalping it, I'm going to tell you right now, it might stop you out and then head down. So you want to be cautious with gold. So I'm actually waiting on gold right now. You said the link is still not working. It's working on my end. It's definitely working on my end, brother.
Are you ready to conquer the Forex market and unlock your true trading potential?
Yeah, all right. I can't even hear it. Yeah, it's definitely working on my end.
Y'all ever heard of this thing called moon spin?
Mood spin?
Called moon spin?
Moon spin. Nah.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's just like some stuff you can do in your downtime, you know? But it's still productive though, don't get me wrong, you know?
Mood spin. Okay.
Moonspin.us.
What is it, a game?
It's like a game, but it's dealing with trading, and we can make money. So we can make money while playing games. So you can play the game, but at the same time, you know, make a little money. It's pretty cool.
That's
I'm not
dope.
gonna lie.
Yeah, I'll check that out.
I genuinely didn't like games. I'm not gonna lie to you. I
Hey.
play 2K, but that's about it.
Y'all gotta, I'm gonna need all y'all to get Fortnite so y'all can play on the streams while we just sit and wait on trades.
Man, that'd be something, man.
We all play Fortnite or play something.
That'd be nice.
Yo, Fox Trading, what's going on? Get on here. We're gonna be doing our live stream this week too. Fortnite X trading stream would be dope. Warzone. All right, yeah, we'll get Warzone. We'll do Warzone. I'm too good for Fortnite. No cap. I feel like I'm playing little kids on Fortnite. I need to play Warzone. I need more competition. Who here? I feel like, I think I do have Warzone. Yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to hit me up on there. But we'll do that. We'll start that sometime. Maybe next week, something like that. Yeah, I know. Call of Duty way better. Way better. I'm playing on a PC. He said that's cap. Hey, I don't know, just ways. What you trying to say, man? You wanna see for yourself? You wanna see for yourself? I'm a PC baby.
Mm-hmm. I am. Bye.
Hey, we got a
Famous
little mic in
Cassie.
the building.
What's up to everybody? Look, they right there. They can see you right there. See what's up. Throwing the peace sign. Say what up.
I
Yo,
love it. Solo, I'll beat you in Fortnite. So, man, add me on Fortnite. My tag is Solo ETV. I got two. I got one for my son and one for me. So sometimes I'll be playing on my son's account or my account. Solo ETV 123 or Solo ETV.
Hey, E, your son be beating you up? Beating you up in the game?
Yeah, he be playing me. He really do. And I've been teaching him how to really go crazy with it. Oh, big blocks. That's actually what I really meant with that by that is if you can use your credit card to now purchase a 200K funded account with Funder Pro. I'm actually gonna change that link though because it's gonna be a new link I'm gonna put. Not a new link, but new texting I'm gonna put.
Check it out. Cause look, it'll go up.
So this is kind of how it works, guys. So check this out. What's the difference between 120? I'm about to. Oh, well, I'm gonna tell you guys. So I'm gonna tell you how this whole thing can play out. So 120 challenge. Shout out to Mike for giving us the opportunity to share this to the community. But basically, what it is you guys can get a funded account right with Funder Pro by using my Solo 20 link. You get 20% off, right? So I'm gonna need all y'all to go ahead and do that. After you have done that, you then now want to go into Mr. 120, the link that I just provided, and I'm gonna provide it one more time. You want to go there, right? And then have 120 challenge pass it. It's a guarantee. He said it is already guaranteed. You know, and he's sticking to that word. I mean, the whole EA made over 1.8 million in funding. They got over how many students you got funded?
We're at 20 right now.
20 students that's funded now. So if you guys want to have him fund your account, which he's doing with me right now, right? I think we got like 4 funded accounts right now that we're working to pass, but he's working on one right now. He's going to work on the other ones. I'm working on one myself right now that we're doing live with Trey Locker, but that's all going to be documented for you guys to see. And then once, I make the video, probably give you guys more confidence, which is cool. If you want to wait on it, you can wait on it. But for everybody else, if you want to go ahead and try the challenge out, that link is pinned down below. You do get 20% off when you go ahead and sign up. I'm going to start giving 120 all my challenges. I'm like, hey, bro, just go ahead. Just let me know when they pass. And I'm going to go ahead and run them joints up.
Yeah,
Shout out to his EA.
Man. Soon as market open, I'm documenting everything.
All right.
Tell me. Crazy. No moving.
Shout out to his EA. It's going crazy. I don't know. Could we get TP3 with let's see if we get TP3 with oil. Yandel, what's going on?
What's up?
You haven't met Mike yet. Mike, this is Yandel. He is 13 years old. And
what's up, man? You famous, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
I have to keep my language under control, won't I?
Huh? Nah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, Yandel, how you been, brother? Yeah. How was your birthday?
Good. Right now it's 6 a.m. I'm under my blanket so my parents don't hear me.
Wow. That's motivation right there, man.
For real. My watermark is turned on. It's just super dark. Let me see. There we go. Are you taking any trades, Yandel, or are you just chilling today?
No, I'm looking at Euro USD 15 minutes.
Euro USD?
Yeah.
Man, I haven't traded that in a while. Guys, I need everybody here to go ahead and keep liking up the video, man. Let's get this stream up. Let's get the stream up. Let's get the algorithm to pick it up. I always say this, and I'm going to get back to saying this because we were going crazy when I was active and consistent by saying this. Once again, guys, the more you guys drop fire emojis in my Discord, or sorry, in this actual live stream, and then the more you guys like this video, the more I will continue to be and go live so you guys can see what's going on. But unfortunately, if y'all not giving me that, there's no reason for me to go live. Like I need that push to feel motivated to go live. So I need you guys to go ahead and keep dropping the fire emoji. Like this video. Fucking Neil. Drop the fire emoji and like the video, y'all.
Hey, yeah, man, definitely run these likes up, man. I'm trying to keep your boy E going live, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes, sir. Y'all know we got a lot of giveaways we're doing as well, but y'all gotta drop these fire emojis, man. We gotta drop these fire emojis.
Top quality content. This top quality content.
Yep. Especially for those that's always asking me to look at this specific pair or look at this. I need you guys to definitely go ahead and like the video. Like keep liking the video, y'all. We gotta get these likes up. I put a big fat sign like the video. Here we go. Like the video. Spam City.
Memories of last year.
I know, right? Just want to be consistent now. Yo, what's going on, Mike? The other Mike?
We got full house.
Full house today.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Nothing.
What's up, Mike?
It's crowded in here.
It is.
Dang.
Yo, Yandel, did we set a day up for you to for us to do the podcast?
Yeah, tomorrow you said.
Tomorrow, okay. I was just saying because I had brought I actually want to do the live podcast at my space. I had brought a lot of studio equipment, well, live streaming equipment, let me say. So I just want to make sure I have everything ready for that.
Okay.
I know I'm late to the game. What you guys all looking at today?
Shit, we are looking at something. I'm looking at gold, of course, in oil. Well, really, oil's still trying to trail the TP3, but I'm really looking at gold and somewhat 30. That's really it.
Yeah, that was a nice oil call you had. Unfortunately, I missed it, but it's good to see you and oil getting along again.
Yeah, let's hope it continues to be like that.
Hey, Mike, why haven't you accepted my friend request on Discord?
Who, me?
You ghosted me.
Wait a minute. Hold on the phone. Hold on.
Yeah.
Well, I get so many friend requests, so I just can't keep up with them.
No, of course not. I was watching your YouTube videos. I think they're great, and I messaged you to tell you they were great.
Yeah, that's it's a start. I still got some more to put up there before I go crazy with it.
Yeah, it's just right up my street. I watched the one about the car part, the most recent one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
the Mar.
big.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's
Well, cool.
yeah, that was fun. When I first bought that car, I mean, I just was like modifying it like crazy.
Hmm.
But no, I just mainly race it. In fact, I got a race coming up on Sunday. But
Oh snap! Okay, nice.
what? I'm trying to see your oh wait, pending.
There you go, pending.
Okay.
Totally ghost.
Well, I got 38 people in here, but most of them are like
Sheesh.
38.
spam guys. You know what I mean?
You know, the one that says Neil is not a spam.
Okay, let me. I'm trying to see it on here. Hold the phone. Hold the phone.
Gold just spiked right back up. That's what I'm trying to
Oh,
tell
there
you.
you are.
Y'all gotta be patient on that.
We are now friends, Neil. Sorry about that, dude.
There we go.
Now you're gonna spam me, aren't you?
Yeah.
We got 10 more minutes left till New York opening.
Man, I was looking at US30. It is like slow.
I know,
slow,
right?
slow,
That's why I'm like, is it me or is it just slow today?
I know. I thought my browser was locked up or something.
That's
For
what I
God's
said
sakes.
earlier. I was like, what is going on? That's why I'm like, damn, might have to tap into NASDAQ.
Of course, it might be because there's no news today. That everything's just kind of chill.
That's true. It's crazy how we depend upon news now when in reality we still don't really like news because it could be super manipulated.
That's true.
When do we have news? Let me see. I mean, like what day?
But 20th, isn't it? Wednesday?
Oh, we got news midweek.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Oh, what is it? PPI?
It's no, the other one. Yeah,
FMOC.
that's it.
Oh, okay.
That's Wednesday.
We got Powell speaking.
Yeah.
Powwow. Nice.
Of course, tomorrow, our friends up north in Canada, they got some news going on for them. They got their CPI news. I don't know if it'll screw us up or not.
I don't know. I got another question. When is the court date for Mr. Funder Pro? I mean, my Forex.
My
funds.
Forex.
Yeah.
I thought it was September 11th. I thought it already happened.
Oh, it did.
Unless it was one of those preliminary, like, get things started kind of thing. I don't know.
Because it's supposed to be two. He's supposed to have one with Canada and one with the States. I don't know. I gotta look and see what's the update on that. Lil Bill, yeah. I've been trying to get Lil Bill on the streams. But he will be on the podcast though. I got a question for y'all. So what are y'all looking for NASDAQ or Neil? What are you looking at for NASDAQ?
I don't know, short term up for a bit.
Short term?
Yeah, I'm not sure, to be fair. I'm waiting. I'm if it breaks this high, but I think it'll just end up retracing and then come back down again. But
I feel you.
I'm not sure, to be honest here, because it's at a quite a strong low from back earlier in the month.
I'm looking for sales. I'll be honest with you too.
Are you talking about NAS?
Yeah. All right, we can even mark this area right here. Looking for sales inside here. See, oh, never mind. Don't need to. I already got it right there. Don't know if we're gonna pull back. I forgot. This is NASDAQ, not 30. Reason why I like 30 more is because of the pull. You actually get a pullback.
Well, that's why I think NAS could go up a bit, because it's got a huge imbalance from Friday.
Oh shit, you right. We got all of that too.
Yeah, I'm a bit wary at the moment. I sold it this morning, and I got a good sell off it, but I don't know if it's a bit tired now because it didn't make a big low after breaking Friday's low. It's not really moved much.
Yeah,
But
and then
then
two. Yeah. Two, we also got liquidity that's forming.
that low. That's that low, and that's completely retraced the imbalance from on the 29th. You know, that one over there where it shot up.
29th of
Yeah, go back to the 29th of August.
holy crap.
There, that big
Oh,
huge
all it
imbalance
is,
where it
yeah.
shot up. It's retraced. It's completely retraced that.
So you're looking at it to fulfill this right here.
Yeah, I don't know. So that's why I'm not sure.
I got you. Okay. Makes
It
sense.
needs to go up before it'll go down. That's what I think.
Makes sense.
So I got a question for you, Solo, for myself and your viewers here.
Mm-hmm.
When they say taking out the lows, do you take out the candle and the wicks, or just the main part of the candle? Like for instance, where you have that line set up now where the two lows, like the current one and then the one way to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Like the one to the right, the current one, the candle took out the full price on the candle to the left, but not the wicks. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I usually wait for it to take out the actual entire wicks too.
Okay.
Like that's kind of like the liquidity grab there, depending. So, damn, I didn't do it right there. Let's see. So, an ideal one would be, you know what? Unfortunately, there's not really too much, but an ideal one would be this wick right here, and then we actually took the lows out right there with these candles.
Okay. I mean, that's what I usually wait for the wicks, but then sometimes it doesn't take out the wicks and it shoots back up again, you know?
Yeah. That's true. 5 more minutes to open it, y'all.
So Yandel, have you been doing some good trades? You in a winning
Yeah,
streak?
yeah, I'm on a 5 trade winning streak right now.
5?
Yeah.
Nice.
Slight flex.
Huh?
I said that's a slight flex. I like it.
Talking to a future billionaire, aren't we?
Right. Let's see. I feel like gold, GU still might go up a little bit. Yes, Lil Bill has a lot to say about silver. I'm confused on where that came from. Got 3 more minutes left. I'm very eager for this gold setup.
I didn't see your chart. Are you looking for a gold sell or buy?
A sell.
So
Yo.
I thought you didn't trade gold.
Yeah, you've been away for a minute. Yeah, let's just say I've been slowly trying to pick back into it as an entry day trader, though. More entry day moves. Like, try to keep it at about 15-minute minimum.
Okay.
I do 5 minutes, but I just realized 5 minutes is really risky unless you really understand the time you're entering and exiting. One thing I want to actually say real quick is for those that has a mental stop loss like myself, it's best to have a mental stop loss during any opening of any session or closer during one session. So like New York opening, that's a perfect idea to have a mental stop loss. And the reason being is because that's where obviously a lot of the manipulation will happen, a lot of the stop punts, fake outs, whatever you guys call it, will happen. So if you, let's say, got in the trade now, right? It's about to be literally opening right now, but got in trade now, stop loss is here. That's exactly what's gonna happen, you know. And this won't even be a closed candle. This will still be an open candle, and it will probably close right here, which means this is just a large wick.
You know, you have to watch some of these funded account firms or whatever. You have to look in their their small print,
FAQs,
because there's
yeah.
one that I was looking at yesterday just to see what they were all about. They require you, like during the challenge, you're fine, but when you actually have a funded account, they require you to have a stop loss within 60 seconds of your trade, or they'll close it out. So read the fine print on some of these rules.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I know.
Mike, what platforms do you have right now? I know you have Funder Pro, but you got something else too, right?
Yeah, the one I'm working on now, it's Forex Prop Firm, which is the least original name I've ever heard. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And
Why you
again,
go
with the
with
fine
them?
print, I didn't really pay attention to it. Once you're funded, it takes you 30 days to do your first payout, and then after that, I think it's every 2 weeks. So what I'm probably going to do, knock on wood, I get this thing funded shortly, like hopefully this week. Is maybe once it's funded, then just kind of hold off it and start like a funder. Not a, I already have the Thunder or the Funder Pro going, maybe another one, because I like to have a few of them going. Like you said, diversify, you know.
Okay.
And heck, maybe even get Mr. 120 there to get me a fast one.
Okay. I was gonna ask you what made you go with Forex prop firm or
They,
whatever it's called.
to be honest, they had a special deal. They had like a 50% off. And the thing that really did it is they had a no daily drawdown. Like the maximum was
What?
3,000 to lose the account. It was like 10 what was it, 8% or whatever it was.
But then you had to
And
put a stop loss in though, right?
no, you don't, no, this one you don't have to put a stop loss in.
Oh.
It was a different one that I was looking at, but let me see what the rules were here. Yeah, profit. Well, here's the other bad thing about it is you only got 35 days. There's not unlimited, but the maximum drawdown is 12%. And there's no daily max. Like once you hit that 12% for the maximum, you're done. But as far as daily, it's the same thing. So, so that was kind of interesting. It was one that and it was pretty cheap. It wasn't real
Okay.
expensive because they had their 50% off deal. So
Makes sense.
it's not near, like their dashboard isn't nearly as good as Funder Pros. Just kind of gives you numbers. There's no graphs or, cool stuff. Choosing dates that you want to look at and things like that. All right, market's open. Well, it's been open for a couple minutes now.
Sway, shout out to Sway. You said you're gonna be back soon. All right. Yeah, market's open. Let's see if anything's going to happen.
Hey, Sway, you work in the automobile industry, right?
Sway works at the.
He's-
Does he?
He's
I
just
thought
stepped away. He's
I
just
thought
stepped
he
away,
worked
Mike.
in. I thought he was in a. I thought he was in a factory or something like that. Worked in a factory at auto. I could be wrong.
Hmm.
The reason I was asking that, I guess there's rumors there might be a union strike automobile.
No, it's not.
NASA's going up.
Where are you looking to trade? What session? We trading now. Trading New York session. Only trade we took so far was an oil trade. That was just one win for the day. Looking on gold setups now. I must say, gold looks very promising. So, guys, I have put up a poll, and I just need y'all to go ahead and respond to it. So far, indices is winning. I had said, what is your best pairs to trade? Gold gold and silver, 30%. Oil's at 11%. Forex pairs is at 27%. Indices is at 34%. It's hard to identify sessions, man. Honestly, first you got to figure out what you want to trade, because not every pair moves well in every session. So first figure that out, and then once you figure that out, the next part will be understanding your style, right? You got to understand, are you more of a breakout, retest, scalper? You know, you want to enter as a scalper, exit as a scalper, hold trades longer. Once you figure that out, then that's when you can start master or planning out your actual setups before and during session. For gold, for instance, I am looking for a sell, but it's also sketchy too for me with gold. I know we have no news, so next TP would be her. Next TP
Actually, for that Silas,
her.
who's asking about the sessions, there's an indicator called sessions that you can put on your if you're using TradingView that helps show you when the actual times are for the sessions too.
Yeah, that's facts too. I love that thing. Considering that we don't have news today, I might want to. No, it's called sessions. I got it right here, guys. So it's like this right here. This is sessions. You can see what session you're in. I don't know why I put up my RSI.
Nope.
No, I was gonna say, what y'all think about gold? But I know y'all don't trade. No, y'all don't trade gold.
NASA's just looking for liquidity here, isn't it?
Holy crap! Yeah, Neil, it's doing exactly what you was saying earlier. It just took out them. Sheesh. Jeez.
Oh, what?
Now you see what oil is doing. I mean, 30. 30 ain't moving. I love getting in 30 trades around this time because I know we still got to take out the high or the low. We can go either direction, y'all. The thing about this one is we do have a lot of really imbalance would necessarily be up here, but I don't really see it too promising of doing all that. We are moving though. Now we are. I feel like I'm gonna miss out on a beautiful gold setup. I don't know, man. You said Forex prop firm doesn't have 10K accounts anymore. I don't know. That's a Mike thing. He might know that one. Because you're using Forex Pro prop
Yeah,
firm,
Forex
right?
Pro. I'm doing a 25,000 one. So let me see. Maybe they don't.
Tony, what's going on, brother?
Yeah, it just looks like a 25,000 up to 200,000.
Mike, you are looking to trade 30 today? Scalping it? 1 minute entries?
I mean, I'm looking at 30, but it's just like NAS. It's acting kind of weird. It looks like it wants to take out the highs. I don't know if it's going to come back down again.
Yeah.
You're 120. You're a 130. Or you're a US30 guy. What do you think?
Yeah, I had put it in the chat earlier today. I was bullish all day. That and the Nas. I was just thinking they was gonna swing, hit the lows first, but yeah, I'm still bullish. I wouldn't expect to get a push this early, to be honest with you.
Gee, you actually did tap into my level. Take the lows out, then the highs out. I don't like that stop loss. That's a fat stop loss.
The US30 is dropping back down again.
Just doing this liquidity phase thing.
Yeah.
It looks like we're not getting TP2 or TP3. How do you get the course? Just join Solo Network at just type in joinsolonetwork.com. I knew it was gonna pull back. Kind of waiting on a double top for gold because I feel like that's gonna happen. So for those that don't know, mention this again. So I almost blew my funded account due to horrible calculations. I put in 10 lots on gold thinking that I was only going to risk, what was it, 2%. But what I actually ended up doing was putting 200K. So when you're dealing with the calculator that I have, or if you're in the same boat as me and you're confused or were confused, make sure you put the actual amount that you can risk for your prop firm. So typically the prop firms will usually say 10% overall or 12% overall. If you got a 200K account, just put in 20K and do 2% of that 20K. And then, you'll get your actual lot size. What I did was so stupid. I did 200K of 2%, and that's where it gave me a crazy number, like 47 lots. And that's why I was like, hold on, something ain't right. So that's why I went and did 10 lots. And then when market started pulling back, I was like, hold on. I was literally $9,000 negative with the prop firm I have, which is Funded Pro. The max daily drawdown is 5%. So just so you know, you got to be cautious about that. That was my mistake. Crazy. But one thing is, as long as y'all stick to your rules, stay consistent, boom, you're good. You're going to easily be making money. Nah, honestly, man, it ain't even me got greedy. Honestly, it's just I really, really over risk. Just because I really legitimately thought 10 lots would have been cool. Now, obviously, if I was in the green, obviously it's a different story. But realistically speaking, no, I had over risk. Damn, 30 still ain't take out a higher low yet. Gold is moving back up. NASDAQ is just doing NASDAQ things. Okay, cool. Yandel, you still in bed?
What's that?
I was talking to Yandel.
Ah,
Oh,
still in bed.
yeah, I am still.
So does your parents trade on a regular too, or they just kind of do it as a side hustle?
Well, they have work, so a side hustle, I think. Yeah.
That's fire.
You gotta go to school.
Huh?
You're not going to school today.
I do online school,
Ah, okay, cool.
so I can do it when after I trade.
That's dope.
Talking of school, I've got to go in a minute. Pick mine up.
Oh yeah. What
Finish
time
it.
is it over there? It's like what, 4 o'clock?
3 o'clock. Oh, I'm tempted to get into a NAS trade before I go. It's going up a little. I reckon.
You tempted for that nice trade?
Yeah.
I'm just patiently waiting on gold.
Oh no, no, it's a bit choppy. No, don't. It's too choppy.
Y'all watch boxing?
No,
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the fight that's coming up on the 30th.
No, who is it?
Yeah. Hold on. No, you said you don't watch boxing, right?
No, I do. I like boxing. Yeah, I'd be a big AJ fan, Anthony Joshua, but he's sort of declined lately. The heavyweight,
Who?
Anthony Joshua.
Oh yeah, Anthony, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But he was the top. He was the best, but he's faded off now. He got beat a couple of times,
Okay.
and I love watching heavyweight. So I love Tyson Fury. He's from my neck of the woods.
Yeah, I was about to say he's from your neck of the woods. This is the lineup. I want to see who else is fighting though. I don't know nobody else on this other lineup. Canelo, no man. Mario, Bruno's. Oh, okay, he's fighting. Okay. I know he fought Javante. That didn't end right with him. What about UFC? I don't watch UFC. Do y'all watch UFC?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's because you're doing UFC. I'm gonna see you on TV too. One day. You're doing UFC super early, man. That's what's up.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Like Paddy the Baddy.
Who?
Paddy the Baddy? No, Paddy Pimblett. He's a Scouser. He's a UFC fighter. He's a Scouser. Liverpool.
Yeah. I'm not tapped into
Yeah.
UFC like that. I gotta get into it. For real. Oh wait, what happened with gold? Okay. Go something interesting. Yeah, see, we tapped into this level right here. This is my fib level. 50% of this lines perfectly with this low. I feel like we definitely come into that. Mm. What if I say that this would be a nice sell right here? Not too much of this weight. Yeah, guys, I gotta wait on that one. I have to say, with no news, market is really casually moving.
Hmm. Right, but I've got to sign off, guys. I'll see you. I'll see you tomorrow if you're back on again tomorrow.
Yes, sir. All right, no, we'll see you later.
We'll see you, Neo.
All
Take
right,
care,
Neil.
guys. Take care.
Did US30 take the lows out? It did. About time. Okay. That's good to know. We got potential setups. Hey, y'all ever heard this game called the Fall Bros?
What?
I haven't no.
You're like, what the? Okay. Hold on. Hold up. I gotta figure it out. It's a game I like to play when I'm just chilling, waiting on market to do something. It's called what is it called? It is called Fall Guys. Wow, what the heck did I say? Oh. What the heck? It's gonna be buy or sells on 30. Let's see. I was looking on buys for it to come and take these highs out, but I ain't buying nothing until I see structure. Yeah, it looks like we only got up to TP2 with oil. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these.
My zone on Euro USD didn't tap.
You said what? Buys?
I went for a sell, but it didn't tap on Euro USD.
What'd you do? A limit order?
No, it just didn't tap my resistance.
Got you. What's going on? Why I keep doing it? New lows on 30. Yeah. Wicked out. Took the lows out. Hello. Thank you. Okay. Sound like a spam now. Definitely didn't do that. All right, y'all. Be careful. Be careful. Not really be careful, but be on the lookout for that 30 buy. That's what I'm looking for. We got news in 1 minute. Somebody said we didn't have news today. What news we have that's important? We have oil news. I would be grateful for that. Gold sales. Nah, I was still waiting on the setup for that. So with gold, the reason why I'm not in it right now is simply because this is my most recent low. We are going to push to this low, but in order for me to get in a proper trade, I need another pull. Right, like another proper pull, and then I want to enter it. Because I feel like what's going to happen is market's literally going to tap into these areas, maybe pull back a little bit more, and then actually start shooting down. That is at least what I'm looking for, you know. Proper set. Oh, snap. Fall Guys is about to start. I didn't even want you to start. Actually, close. There we go. So that's the proper setup that I'm looking for. Yeah, I use whack off very, very well. It's part of it's my liquidity phase. I just sum everything down to my liking. That's what 30 is about to do. Whack off play. Yeah, I use Elliott Wave. When I talk about the 3-man standing concept, that is Elliott Wave too. I love Elliott Wave. Apparently, a lot of my old Elliott Wave videos are producing really well. I don't know if Elliott Wave is picking back up the hype, but I don't know. It's interesting. Ah, snap. We about to start this game. I didn't want to. All right, there we go. We good now. You learned about whack off from you like 2 years ago. It had been whack off. It had to be Elliott Wave. 2 years ago, I honestly didn't even know what whack off was. That was Fabian. I mean, you probably learned from him, but Elliott Wave, yeah, I was definitely, that was my first thing I was teaching. Yeah. Oh yeah, when it comes to Elliott Wave, I'm a geek with that theory. I love that theory. I used to teach it very faithfully in my community. Oh, I got a question here. If anybody here is in Miami, man, let me know. If there's anybody here in Miami, let me know that lives in Miami. Or any part close to Miami. You'll be in Miami, dope. Hey, things are just not it today. I know some of y'all be like, y'all want to do this full time, but do y'all really want to sit at a desk for 8 hours straight trading? I had somebody here said they would love doing that. I'm like, no, you wouldn't. You really haven't really took the time.
Let 120's EA do it all day.
Right. Let his EA do it, and then boom, y'all can live y'all life. Hell yeah, that's so much stress, man. Do y'all ever get stressed when y'all trade? Like, anybody here get stressed out when they trade? I know I do.
Oh, all the time.
Stress pays though. That's crazy. They say if you ain't stressing off of your craft, then it ain't really working or paying well.
Heck, I'll be a little bit stressed when I'm not in a trade, figuring I just missed something.
So you stress regardless. Yo, that's crazy. It's crazy because it's kind of like, that's kind of actually legitimately real, man. Like, you get stressed out that you're not in trade, because I'm kind of feeling like that right now. It's like, only trade we took was this oil trade, which played out very well, but it's like, I think that might be it for it. Frustrating. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, man. I feel like the part of being stressed, not being in a trade, and frustrate yourself not being in a trade is also a reason why people get in trades. Is because they're forcing themselves.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'll sometimes force a trade myself. I mean, sometimes I'll see a setup that really isn't there.
Yeah, it happens too. Like this US30 trade, I'm sure somebody's getting into after already establishing why they're not getting into the trade.
I'm just wondering if it wants to go all the way down and take out the other lower low.
Yeah, I feel like that's the thing with US30. Once it's down, it's down. But then that's not always true. That's why I don't like that. I'm 50-50 with 30. That's kind of why I'm not really looking to trade it today. Don't want to force nothing.
It looks like your gold kind of dropped.
Yeah,
I mean, from this morning.
yeah, it did tap this low. I'm just waiting on it to pull it back again. No, Funder Pro does crypto payouts.
I'd love to get an US30 buy, but man, you ride it all the way up, but I don't know.
I want to sell.
I did I ever tell y'all the story with the Funder Pro account that I had? I had it, but then I blew it because that time I got greedy. Yeah, I did. I had the Funder Pro account, but then I actually blew it and got super greedy and did the most dumbest thing that I teach not to do, but I did it anyway. I went all in for a trade. I didn't even follow this as I should have. This is why I like to keep it right here. Y'all can't tell, but I like to keep it like right by my actual computer. Or either just somewhere on the side. As long as I see it, man, it don't matter. Yeah. We are humans though, you know. We are humans, so it happens. But like I said, guys, I'm more interested in doing personal accounts than funded accounts. And there's nothing wrong with funded accounts because I'm, you know, preach about having a funded account, but I just know how much of a risk taker I am. And sometimes my drawdowns ain't 5%. My daily drawdowns be a little over 5%. So it's like I prefer to have and set my own limitations on my own account than to trade it. Like I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. I grew 20K, 10K accounts from $1,000. So it's like technically, if I get a 100K account, that's basically $10,000. But I have so many limitations. Like Mike was saying, one prop firm says you need to have a stop loss within 60 seconds of entry. Fuck that. I want to do my own limitation. I don't want that. Another thing is a lot of prop firms would be like, you can't trade during news or before news. Some prop firms would be like, you got to have a consistency profit rule, meaning like you just can't hit jackpot off one trade and then cash out. Like you got to be consistent with every trade. So it's just like realistically, I just take $1,000 and grow it to 10,000, or just deposit $10,000 or grow a $10,000, $20,000 account, which y'all seen we did multiple times. The first one we did was 4,000 to 40K, right? Technically speaking, if we were to trade the 40K, which, you know, we took that out, we would have basically had a 400K account realistically, you know what I'm saying? But with more limitations. So that's why I spend more time with the personal than funded accounts, but there's nothing wrong with funded accounts. You know, so the rule of the game here is just get funded, take that money, go personal. Set your own limitations. Or better yet, get funded, use that money into whatever else you want to do. Or you can do both.
Talking about using the money to fund something else. This has nothing to do with trading, but years and years ago, probably 20 years ago, there was a company called Play, and they made, and this is back in the before like DVDs and stuff like that, but they made a little piece of equipment where you can capture video onto videotape or something like. No, I think it was into your computer. So you could take a VHS tape and tap it and copy it into your computer or whatever. That was pretty big back then. But anyway, they had this thing and they sold like, I don't even know how many millions of dollars worth, but they literally made that product to fund a bigger product they were actually working on in the background. So all the profits from that one was literally just to fund another one. So it's kind of like the same thing if you're using Forex to fund something bigger. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Use that money. Take it, run with it, do something with it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I will say for those that does this method where you'll save money, that's cool. But let's be honest. If you were working a 9-to-5 job and you was like, all right, I'm gonna save 10% every check I get, right? Let's say you was making $1,000 every week and you saved $100 and you put it in savings account, or you might have put in your piggy bank. Let's say you put it somewhere where it doesn't grow. What do you think will happen the moment that something happens to you where you can't work anymore? You know, you can't do what you used to do back in your prime. You're stuck with only, let's say you have 50K in your account, right? And your money's not moving at all. I always say, and it's funny because there's this book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, the best book anybody, I don't care who you are and what you do in life, read that book. Because Robert Kiyosaki, he will talk about his actual dad, considered like his poor dad, and his friend's dad is his actual rich dad. And he spends a lot of time with both of them, and he understands the mindset. And he's basically saying, in that book, he's basically saying this. He's basically saying, poor mindset is going to tell you to save money and not put into any type of equity that will grow it. While rich dad is saying, oh, invest all your money into this, invest into this, invest into this. While the poor dad is like, oh, that's stupid. Don't do that. That's big risk. You might lose it all. You know, and it's the best book ever. It's the best. It's called Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's the best book ever because it teaches you, like, if you're raised in poverty or you're raised around, you know, people that might not have that lavish lifestyle that you want or might not have that mindset, I would say pick up books, man. Those are the best thing to do. Pick up that book, especially that book, because it's going to show you the difference. And when I make money, guys, I just immediately put into businesses. Like, to be honest with you, the reason why I don't have all the nice stuff that a lot of these Forex traders have is because I'm thinking ahead and I'm like, I'm about to invest into other things. So what I like to do is, like me, my very first time I started making money with Forex, I invested into a studio. Like, I have another studio at my brother's house, whole complete studio at my brother's house, and I invested all my money I was making to get into that because I wanted to, you know, just, you know, record people, record myself, and so forth. And then now I'm seeing more money coming in. Now I'm investing into other things. Like a lot of y'all know, I got a warehouse that I'm working on. That's another thing I'm working on. And there's a lot of other side gigs that I got going on. One thing that I also did was invest into my shoe line, which I'm not even doing anymore right now. And that's what I like to do. But most importantly, a lot of y'all don't even notice, but a lot of money that I do make, I actually have 3 different accounts. So I just opened up a life insurance account. I have that going as we speak now. Second thing I actually have is Robinhood. I have money in Robinhood as well. I'm investing to a lot of ETFs. A lot of tech companies right now because I know tech is booming. I'm investing to a lot of that. I also have M1 Finance, which is another It's like Vanguard for those that don't know what Vanguard is. So my savings account, realistically, if I was to be like, hey, if y'all was to be like, what's in your savings account? I'll probably, honestly, I'll be like, ain't nothing in my savings account. If you ask me what's in my investment account, I would tell you, oh yeah, for sure. Cause I think like that. That's how I think, you know, but it's crazy because if I was to have this conversation with, you know, a couple of my family members or friends, families or parents, they'll be like, you need to save. You should put more money in your savings account because you never know what could happen. Well, let's be real. I think the smartest thing for us to do is in our prime time, meaning the prime time where you can think straight, work with no type of complications in your life. That's the time you go on grind mode. You take your prime time, right? Let's use this as an example. An artist is in their prime time. Let's say Drake, right? 20 years from now, Drake ain't finna be Drake. 10 years from now, Drake is not finna be who Drake is now, right? He's not. So if he's in his prime right now, still selling out arenas and whatnot, I will use that in my advantage, start up all my businesses that I can, put money into real estate, put money into stocks, put money into different things I know is going to grow. And then by the time I get old, like, you know, whoever, like I get older, I can now do different things like Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre was at his prime time when obviously we was doing everything, you know, back in the day, right? Now he ventured off. He started what? Beats by Dre. Sold that for $1 billion. Apple brought it. Now he's probably obviously got money into real estate, this and that. A lot of these artists now, they invest into real estate. You know, let's use Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg, when he was in his prime as far as an artist, which he still is in his prime as an influencer, but as an artist, he took that money, invested into a lot of things. Now Snoop Dogg got so many different businesses. Shaq, I want to use Shaq as an example. This man is smart. In his prime time, this man was investing into a lot. He invested into Uber. I was told he invested into a lot of other different things, but he invested a lot of his money that he was making, put his parents on payroll, and boom, you know, like don't just be that type of person to be like, oh, I'm gonna put money in my savings account and then hope that, or not hope, but let's say one day something happens and you hope that money that you have in your savings account will subsidize whatever, you know, happened in your life. No, that's not true, guys. So like I said, man, you got to be smart about it. Like y'all got to really pay attention to what's going on. Like, you know, you got Diddy, you got Jay-Z. Jay-Z was at his prime, late 90s, sorry. Diddy, same thing. Diddy, Jay-Z, you know, they don't rap no more. They can. They do it for fun. They don't need to do it because they got, you know, you got Ciroc. You know, you got what's Jay-Z's drink? God damn, y'all know what I'm talking about. Douce, you know, you got him investing to paintings. You got him got Tidal, you know, streaming platform. For those that don't know what it is, it's like Spotify. Diddy, I mean, where can I start with him? He got everything. So that's why I say, like, for those that's saying, yeah, I was just about to say this. For those that's saying like, oh, I'm about to save my money, or I want to be a trader full time. No, you don't. You don't want to be doing the same thing the rest of your life. I mean, if it's fun, it's fun, but you don't want that to be your only source of income. So take that money that you make from trading, take advantage of whatever you can. Take advantage of these prop firms. Take advantage of you growing these accounts. Take advantage of these educations that we're giving you. Take advantage of this EA that I just gave you guys 20% off from Mr. 120 right there. Take advantage of all this. Utilize that. Grow your account. Or, you know, do what you do with prop firm. Pay yourself out 10,000. Put half into, yes, you can put half into a savings if you want to, but hey, I would say make that savings account a bigger investment. Like put half into saving for a bigger investment and put the other half into floating equity, meaning like real estate. If you can't get into real estate, there's so many ways to get into real estate without you even having to buy property nowadays. You do not have to buy property nowadays to get into real estate. It's that simple. So, all right. So you definitely want to, you know, get into stocks, get into different things, man. Just invest your money, put into other things, make more money, and be great at it. Because by the time 30 years from now, I'm not going to be doing this, streaming, you know, or sitting on this desk, you know. I'm going to be looking in other business ventures. But Yende, I'll see you later, brother.
See ya.
See you, Endo.
Bye, Mike. Bye, Michael.
All right, man.
See you later.
True motivation right there, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I want my son to be way ahead of the
Same,
curve, man.
Same.
That's. I mean, he is right now, but we got to keep him going. But that's inspiration.
Very inspirational because when he first told it, well, he just turned 13, so when he came in, Mike, he came in like last month, I think, 2 months ago.
Yeah, something like that.
First time I heard him talk, I'm just like, yo, I feel like I'm talking to my kid right now. You know, it's so crazy, but yeah, man, it just opened up my eyes even more to realize, like, dang, like, okay,
I think what was crazy is he laid out his trading plan like he knew it like by heart. I mean, better than like most people out there. It was amazing.
I want to hear it.
yeah, 120 was crazy. I was telling him like, Yendo, give me your trading plan. He broke that joint down. I was like, what? And I was like, I had asked him, what do you think is the most important thing or the art of trading? He said psychology or mental. I was like, your parents taught you well, man. It's
Yeah, he
crazy.
didn't even flinch with that answer. It was like right out of there, boom.
Right. I'm just like, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's
Very
impeccable.
inspiring. And what inspired me too, 120 was your son at the event. He was like, draw uptrend, and he knew what it was.
Yeah,
And that's fire. I definitely
that's what
want
I'm
to get my
saying.
son
Though,
that,
like,
man.
120 was your son after the event.
oh shit.
And he was like, draw up and he
Somebody echoing.
Yeah, I heard that too.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh no, I was saying that like I mean he actually started doing this at like three I think.
3?
Because I mean, they implement and they see what you do. So I think he started copying me first. And then that's when I started seeing him like pick up like, his retention to it. I was like, oh, okay, let me entertain it. Cause all kids ain't gonna do everything every parent do. So I was like, probably ain't gonna do what I do, but he started showing interest to it and stuff I like, but he showed more passion with it. So I'm like, I pour into it. So
That's crazy. Yeah, I gotta get on it now.
hey, you know what we're gonna do? We
What?
saying this live, you hear me? Watch this. And I always want to do this, but now this is the perfect time to do it. I said I want to do just the little ones. We could have a class for just the little ones. It could just be Kai, your son, and it can rub off. It will rub off on him. He'll be inspired. He's gonna see it. He's gonna be like, man, he could do that. You know how they are. We boys. You know how it is. Like, you do this. Oh man, I'm gonna do this better than you. So I could just see it right now, man. It's gonna be all love. We're gonna
Right there.
raise another generation of just young people, and just that's what I want to do next. That's what I said I had written down. I want to tap into that because that's gonna be just different. Just think about it.
That's fire. And speaking of that, I wasn't even thinking that young, but I wanted to. But I like that. Definitely, we 100% have to do that. I was also thinking once I get the whole entire space going, I want to start doing like events, and of course these are free, guys, but events where it would be like we bringing youth together to teach them financial literacy. Teach them like there's more than what you might know out there, and teach them like different ways to bring in sources of income. But not only that, mainly just how to leverage your income the right way and grow it basically the proper way, and different things to look out for and how to look out for it, and how to maneuver through them. Like that's something that I will be doing as well. So it's just dope that you actually mentioned that, Mike. I definitely should get you into that too, man.
Yeah, we definitely gonna change the world, man. Like I said, when I first got a lot of people don't know my story, but when I first got exposed to a foreign exchange, when I was interning in high school, like I say, me out of all the other people that I go back to the West Side Chicago with, they didn't know about this stuff, So I was like, man, why not start showing people how to do this? But I was like, let me start making money first and reassure everything. And once I did that, I started like teaching and showing people just, and then my form of teaching people wasn't like, oh, you should do that. It was showing numbers. And when I was showing numbers and stuff, they still confused because they don't know what it is. But people eventually came around to it, as you can see on social media and all that stuff. So it's all
Facts.
about just exposing what they know.
That's fire, bro. Somebody asked you about GU. You was in a GU trade?
All sales, baby. Yeah, all day. I hope y'all making money. If y'all making money on this trade, drop it in the chat. Yeah, we called that earlier. That thing probably I can't look at it right now because I'm about to turn the software on, but yeah. GU probably going crazy right now.
Go that push back up, guys, with gold. Skinny D, what's going on?
You know, they say you take all the money in the world and you divide it evenly between everybody. The rich people that are now will be rich again, and the poor people that are now will be poor again. Just because people know how, if you know how to make money, you're going to make it.
That's interesting that you say it like that. It's very interesting you said it like that.
If you have the same amount of money as a rich person, he's going to be making money and you're going to be back being poor again, just because of the knowledge and, know to invest it instead of just spending on cars and stuff.
Yeah, see, that's another thing too. Like, I want to talk about that lifestyle. Like, I know we all want to drive fast cars and live a very luxury lifestyle, right? Maybe really luxury vacations or just vacations in general. And this is why I want to do teaching to the youth. And they're picking up on it, right? The youth is picking up on it very well, right? But what I'm basically getting at is y'all can monetize all of that, right? I mean, obviously you starting to see a lot of influencers now. A lot of influencers are now picking up on that. But for those that's into that lifestyle or really want that lifestyle fast, it's possible. Just use that as extra leverage as well as what I'm getting at, right? Take all that, use it and grow it. I mean, there's so many cool ways to make money if you wanted to. Let's say you want a dream car of yours. There's so many different other ways to make money through that, while you're still living life because of, you got this nice thing or this nice car and you got this, we're taking this nice vacation every week or whatever. I don't know. But I feel like nowadays making money is simple. You just gotta understand and mindset wise, as far as like things you already see and things you already do in life. Like a lot of us already go different cars and rent out cars. How about why not we put our car on tour or something like that? There's different things. You just gotta really think. You just gotta really open your mind up a little bit. And once you do that, you just gonna start picking up quick. Oh my gosh, 30 is just taking off, bro. You give me a buy setup. I will say I might get in another oil trade.
Hey, are you logged into your Nova account?
Nah. I haven't even logged in yet.
You might want to try logging in before it's too late.
Before it's too late. Yeah, how do I do that? Let me see. I don't even have MT4 on my I deleted it. Can I still download MT4?
Yeah, it's on MT4.
Can I still download it on the Apple?
Yeah, go to your Play Store, MT4, and then like that login.
All right.
Login password.
Whew, I haven't MT4. It's so outdated to me. Bro, how do I do this? All right, hold on. What Gmail did I set it up for?
Hey, to answer this Cossie's, I think I probably messed that name up. Anyway, it's called forexpropfirm.com. But again, look at all the rules and details and stuff, because even though they give you no daily limit, that's only for the challenge. Once you're funded, then it's the typical 10%, 8%, or whatever it is, 5%, whatever normal daily and max drawdowns are. It's just for the challenge where they don't give you a daily drawdown or daily limit. I mean, you just have the max limit.
This thing is tweaking. God damn, Mike. Or Mr. 120. Oh my gosh, you're going crazy. Bro, you just passed. Did you not?
We need 20 bands.
Can I show these people this?
Hey, it's your account.
All right, so check this out, y'all. Check this out. God,
You gotta hurry up before this shit too late.
Huh? Wait,
I
what?
said, hurry up before it pass.
All right, y'all, check this out. So I gave 120. I remember when I told you guys that I had 120 use this to pass my account, right? I gave him an account, and he's using the EA to trade it right now. And
That's it. We out.
We funded. That's crazy.
Next.
So I'm fully funded.
Next.
Look at this. 22K made in a day. Come on. 22K made, 23K made in a day. All from his EA. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. 120.
That was what? That was 8 minutes.
That was in 8 minutes. High frequency trading. All US30 trades. So once again, guys, if you want Mr. 120 to pass your challenge with Funded Pro, especially Funded Pro, you can use other brokers too, but like I said, you do get the discount. But he do recommend a different broker though, for sure. Yo, Mike, did you send me or 120? You send me the link. I'm gonna give y'all the link. This is just proof right here, y'all. I just gave you this account. I just gave him this account on Friday. No, Saturday. And he was like, all right, bro, give me a day. I was like, all right, say less. And look, he passed it. Wow, bro.
So once it's
by the way, one more thing I want to mention. I did a phase 1 challenge, so I don't have to do a phase 2 challenge. He does have a broker that he recommends that does phase 1 challenges. So, but let me say this. He is going to work on Funded Pro next. We're going to do that as well. And then we're just going to kill it from there.
Oh, yeah, we're running all of them. We just got to, what I was telling him, we just got to find the right files, so.
Damn, bro.
So once you're funded, you can just keep on going with that thing, right?
On the live sale, you got to move a little different, but we have what we call a back end EA. So it's like a front end and a back end to the EA software. So we have it to face the demo side and then the live side.
Yeah, so y'all know this.
So once you,
Go ahead, Mike. My bad, brother.
I'm sorry. So once you switch it over to live side, then like I said, you can just let it run in the background and not have to do anything.
Nope.
Is that right?
Yep, it is a lot. It's a lot more patient with the setups. Is like a supply and demand, strategy. So yeah, it'll take its time. You can just like go to work. A lot of people just go to work, and they can manage it from their phone if they want to. So yeah, just like a set and forget strategy.
Bro, that's crazy. How? Like, y'all don't understand. When I met this guy, I still be asking how.
Yeah, yesterday, day before yesterday, he was just like, I was showing him numbers and everything, statement. He was just still like, I understand it though. I do, man.
I was feeling like I've been doing this for years, and I'm still trying to figure out how. But hey, he just proved it to me right now again, and I'm still asking how, bro. Like, how did you do it? Like, how is it? Like, it's crazy, but yeah, man. We gonna talk off the camera about the other accounts and how we gonna do that. But that's what's up, bro. I appreciate that. So I have to wait how many days?
No, just 72 hours or whatnot.
Okay.
Oh, I was gonna say, make sure you verify all your stuff, so they just, you waiting on them.
All right, bet.
Go in that little back office, upload your stuff. Within 72 hours, you'll have your certificate and all that good stuff.
Bet. So y'all know. There we go. Proof is literally right there.
Did anybody drop
I ain't want to say nothing, but you said I had to check it.
In GU?
Huh?
Anybody ain't stealing those sales, or like anybody make some profit on those sales on GU?
I'm too focused on Go. I forgot all about GU.
How that gold trade looking?
That's something we wouldn't have heard a month or two ago. Solo saying he's focused on gold.
Hey, that's facts. That's facts. You definitely wouldn't have heard me say that. I would have been like, get off me. Gold is nothing. Nah. I was tempted for an oil trade, but I didn't realize it was going to spike that far up. US30 is coming. Oh, it did tap into this. All right, let's see something. Nah, I don't know, bro. The US30 is really scaring me.
You said the US30?
Mm-hmm. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Yo, EA just passed in 10 minutes while I'm still trying to work on passing one myself. That just goes to show how powerful AI or, algorithms is compared to human. Because we got emotions we got to deal with. We not as accurate as that. It's crazy. So I'm trying to tell you, AI's going to take over. Like I said, if y'all really want the info on what he just did for their account, y'all just seen it. Y'all do get 20% off. Y'all just use the link that I just posted on the chat room. Well, that's why the big banks use them and also make patterns. Well, yup, big banks, big dogs, the one that takes all the money. This is what they do on a regular. They don't even trade. They just have a very intelligent AI coding algorithmic play doing trades every single millisecond of the day. Checks news, checks events, makes events, manipulation, creates the events, all of that. I said create all of that. And it trades it every millisecond of the day. It's cool for them to do it, but it ain't cool for us to do it. Politics stuff. That's a whole nother topic right there. Like I said, use the link.
Yeah, US30, man. We about to go crazy. We talking about manual trading now.
Yeah, that's the thing though. Manual trading. You gotta be able to know how to manual trade. Yes, sir. You gotta be able to know how to manual trade.
One thing the AI and your EA is going to definitely do is beat everybody in patience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
That's facts.
I don't see nothing going on right now except for this buy that's taking off on 30. That's about it. Things are moving super slow. So yeah, we probably gonna end today's stream. Things are moving slow. I mean, it's moving, but yeah, it is what it is. So guys, once again, if you are not part of the community, make sure you join the community. It is free, of course. And then I see a lot of you guys only 9% trade oil. Damn. So it looks like gold and silver is the winner. And yeah, that's pretty dope. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's stream. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow. Once again, if you guys want the challenge, 120 challenge, I just pinned that. That is going to be in the actual chat. Y'all still be able to have access to it after the stream. And then also on top of that, because y'all talking about, bro, Mike, they over here trying to talk about this that thing.
What you say?
Right there. We'll talk about it later. But let me go to here.
Are you ready to
I love that. You gotta tell me how you did all that.
I got you. You know, I got you.
Yeah, people are sleeping on oil too. All right,
No, I
but
don't. No, it's not. I see the comments. Well, yeah, we'll answer that later. But no, it's we use Nova, but no, it's not a HFT.
yeah. So once again, yeah, guys, check it out. 120, definitely do it. Believe me, guys. You know, if you really think about it, like I was just talking about extra streams of income earlier and how important it is to have multiple streams of income. You definitely want to make sure if you know somebody that is already knowledgeable, understands how it works, understands the system, it just makes sense to go with that, you know? So definitely check out that link. And then also, guys, like I said, you can join the community, my community for free. That is also pinned. And other than that, man, I'll see everybody tomorrow. Mike, I'll see you tomorrow in 20. I'll call you in a bit. And yeah, everybody take care. Peace.
All right. We'll see you.